The HA Industries Mod XL assembly platform. A standalone modular machine base designed for interchangeable tools in the form of mobile tool carts. Our standardized design consists of a main upper ram that is the driving force for various assembly processes. Common interconnection between machine and tool cart allow for multiple units to be capable of running interchangeable tools. The tool cart and all of its customized nesting and components can be quickly swapped out in 5 to 15 minutes, revamping the unit for a different part or process, whether that's the next step in the assembly or to accommodate new tooling for a model year change. Just install a new HA tool cart using our optional tool cart jack, and you're ready for whatever challenges tomorrow brings. At HA Industries, we design and build customized manufacturing solutions. With the Mod XL, we combine all the manufacturing efficiency of our dedicated solutions with the versatility of our entire manufacturing toolkit. Whatever your assembly or manufacturing challenge, HA Industries has an engineered solution that will keep you moving. HA Industries, assembly processes optimized.